Hi, and welcome to Warehouse Sales. At the moment we're looking at the Dyson DC39 Animal vacuum cleaner. As you can see, I've got the turbine head on at the moment, which is perfect for your carpets. On the ground here we also have the hard floor tool, and we have the mini turbine head, which is perfect for couches and any other furniture. Having a look at the unit itself, it's very easy to empty. It's got the one button release there, and it's got the removable tap cleaning filter in the middle, and the one button empty on the back there. For any more information, head to warehousesales.com.au.